Matt Johnson from the Insurance Fairness Committee. We're here today to teach you how to issue a complaint to the Department of Health concerning your Medicaid managed care. We have 3 asks. One is to post our flyer in the office or in your hospital or clinic. 2 is talk to your patients about filling out the form. And 3 is to take action. Now, my friend Matt here is to explain how to do it.
Thanks, Mike.
Sure.
So you guys will either receive in an email or be able to download on the chapter website this flyer. This flyer is part of what we want posted when Mike's first ask. We would like you to post it in a patient waiting room as well as a fitting room. The second part of our ask is to talk about this with your patients. So if your patient is having difficulty accessing O&P care because of their Medicaid or Medicaid MCO plan, we would like you to let them know that there is a complaint process. This access to care issue could be any of the following: that the patient cannot get the item they most need, or they have to settle for a lesser item that doesn't fully fit their needs. It could be that they're waiting a longer time in order for you to secure authorization for that item, or that the item that they're able to secure is not of the same quality and breaks more frequently. This access to care could also mean they have to travel further to your office or wait longer due to staffing. Once you have that dialogue with the patient, we would like you to help them complete issuing a complaint, and that would be achieved by scanning either of these 2 QRs. There's an English and a Spanish version that would take you to an email template for issuing a complaint to the Department of Health, which I will show you next. So upon clicking that, you would end up getting this screen, which has instructions that are identical and similar to the flyer that they just scanned. And this is as simple as it is. You enter in patient's info. Once they have their name and address, phone number, and email, you click send email, and it will pull up a template that would be text to go to the Department of Health. Your job as provider would be to make sure that you assist the patient in completing in the bolded bracketed items. So the first bracketed item is the patient's name. Second would be their city that they live in. Would be their medical condition, whether it's something related to their orthotic or prosthetic need. The fourth item is what equipment they're using. And then the fifth is what issues they're having that's causing their challenge accessing care. Lastly would be what issues they're experiencing as a result of the MCOs, not the challenges from the MCOs. After entering those bracketed areas, this is a customized email to meet the needs of that patient. You would simply click send email. You could opt out or opt in from future communications, and this email would go directly to the complaint hotline within Department of Health. Mike, you want to comment as we close?
Absolutely. Thanks, Matt. Like we said already, we'd appreciate it if you posted this in your waiting rooms, your clinics, in the hospitals, and hand them out to your friends and doctors. Because remember, it's our responsibility as practitioners to educate our patients on how to file complaints to the Department of Health, because that's the only way anything is going to get done. And that's it for today. Thanks, Matt.
Thank you.